Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rayhun Paz. Do you have any food in your country that's Amber for some and Johnny for others? For some it's Satan, for the rest it's descendant of heaven. Among fruits, eggplant wins the title here in Iran. Of course, there are multiple ways of cooking it, this one's the easiest. Ingredients for fried eggplant and tomato. Eggplant, tomato, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Peel the eggplants. Then slice them. Add salt and stir. Although I don't name it stirring, but whatever. Let it rest for 2 hours. Then wash them a few times. Slice the tomatoes. Fry both sides of eggplants. If you have any question, any kind of question about the pan, I want you to go and check out the Kebab Digi video. Fry tomatoes. Add salt, turmeric, and black pepper.
Where do I begin to tell the story of how great love can be? This Badem Jun Goje is all I can see, the sweet love story that is older than the sea. Where do I start?